कब तक रखोगे हमको तुम, छोड़ दे मेरी वादी, जा छोड़ दे मेरी वादी।
A community event was held at the Consulate General of Pakistan, Dubai today to observe Yom Istehsal. A large number of Kashmiri and Pakistani community members based in Dubai attended the event. Kashmiri leaders and members of the community from different walks of life addressed the gathering. They condemned unilateral and illegal actions of India on 5th August 2019, coupled with gross human rights violations by Indian forces in IIOJK, and reaffirmed the resolve of Kashmiri to continue the liberation struggle despite Indian state terrorism till the realization of objectives. India is morally and legally bound to give the Kashmiri people their rights of self-determination as enshrined in the UN Charter. They also appealed to the international community to play its due role by solving the dispute in accordance with the wishes of Kashmiri people. In his remarks, Rahimullah Wazir, acting Council General, said that today marks 4 years of India's illegal and barbaric action of August 5, 2019. This illegal and completely unjust action by Indian forces was meant to destroy the identities and its demographic structure, and the action taken by them was condemned by almost entire world. A photo exhibition depicting Indian barbarism in Jammu and Kashmir was in abject violating of human rights made every single eye in tears. At the end of event, special prayers were held for the Kashmiri martyrs and their struggle to be decisive. Rabia Shop with a cameraman at the reporting team, Emarat News, Dubai.
अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल ने कश्मीरियों के साथ एक प्रॉमिस किया था, एक वादा किया था, और 1945 में जब अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के तौर पे इमर्ज हुई, उसका पर्पस भी यही था कि दुनिया में अमन को कायम करे। चूँकि उससे पहले जो लीग ऑफ नेशन थी वो फेल हो चुकी थी, जंग अज़ीम अव्वल और दोम हुई, तो उसके बाद ये इदारा बना। तो इसलिए इस इदारे से हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि वो पीसफुल तरीके से कश्मीरियों के साथ जो वादे किए गए थे उन अपने जो सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के कवानीन हैं उनके मुताबिक इनको जो है हक़ खुद इरादत का हक़ दे।